In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your TurboTax account access. If you've forgotten your user ID or password and you're having trouble signing in, don't worry. TurboTax provides a built-in recovery process that is simple to follow, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get back into your account as smoothly as possible. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the TurboTax sign-in website at myturbotaxintuit.com. Make sure the page finishes loading completely so you can clearly see the sign-in area. This is important because the recovery link you need appears directly below the sign-in box. Under the sign-in section, click the link that says I forgot my user ID or password. This will take you to the account recovery page where TurboTax will ask for information to help identify your account securely. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct recovery option shown on the screen. Next, enter the account detail requested to verify your identity. Depending on what you have available, this may be your registered email address, your phone number, or your social security number. Be careful to type the information exactly as it was originally associated with your account. Even small typing mistakes can delay the recovery process, so it's a good idea to double check before moving on. After submitting your information, TurboTax will send you a verification code. This code may arrive by email or by text message, depending on the recovery method connected to your account. Go to your inbox or check your phone and look for the message. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder as well if you're using email. Once you receive the verification code, return to Google Chrome and enter the code into the field provided on the TurboTax page. This step confirms that you are the account owner and allows you to continue with resetting your access. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts carefully to complete the recovery process and regain access to your account. As a final tip, once you're back in, consider saving your updated sign-in details somewhere secure so they're easier to find later. That's all it takes to recover your TurboTax account access using Chrome.